Every microamp counts when you're designing a battery-powered Bluetooth LE product. In this course, Designing Low-Power Bluetooth LE Products, you'll focus on exactly that: how to build power-efficient, feature-rich products that can run longer on a battery. You will take a hands-on, comprehensive approach, covering the entire life cycle of a product, from design and development through to deployment in the field. You'll begin by building a strong foundation in power consumption, understanding the key factors that influence it, and how to estimate a realistic power budget for your design. You will also examine power management ICs, PMICs, and the benefits they offer to Bluetooth LE products, whether they are powered by a primary cell or a rechargeable battery. Then you'll move on to how to measure power accurately with different tools, and just as importantly, how to avoid common measurement mistakes that can lead to misleading results. From there, you will dive into Bluetooth LE protocol optimizations, examining how advertising, connection parameters, and data handling strategies directly affect energy use. You'll also explore SoC-specific techniques, including sleep mode, clock sources, peripheral configurations, and ways to minimize CPU activity using hardware features like EasyDMA and the event system. Finally, you'll learn how to monitor your devices in the field using NRF Cloud powered by Memfault and collect key data like disconnection trends, peer details, battery status, so you can diagnose issues remotely and improve product performance over time through over-the-air updates. If your goal is to design Bluetooth LE products with maximum battery life, this comprehensive hands-on course will give you the practical skills and experience to get there.